Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Continuing with the topic of autopsy, this is the lecture number 16. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And in this lecture, I will be discussing the autopsy on mutilated, fragmentary, putrefied, and skeletal bodies, or autopsy on decomposed, mutilated bodies and fragmentary remains. And the learning objectives, most important, they are the source. First, we have to identify the source. For example, it is sometimes extensively mutilated or you are unable to identify anatomically being a human. So first, you will establish the source being human. And if it is human, then there may be mixing of body parts, commingling, that the body parts of the various bodies are mixed together and you have to isolate and conform into different bodies. Then identity, you have to establish the identification, then the cause of death and time since death. So these are the most important learning objectives. So starting with the topic, a mutilated body is a body which is deprived of a limb or a part, or on which the body has been disfigured. In such situation, the soft tissues, muscles, and skin may still be attached to the bodies. And the fragmentary remains include only the fragments of the body, such as head, trunk, or a limb. When the mutilated body or fragmentary remains are received for autopsy, very careful examination of the available parts is required to discover the evidence of the crime, which is the main objective. The examination is done by a team, usually comprising of forensic experts, anatomist, dentist, anthropologist, and radiologist. The casual examination of these specimens is likely to result failure. Hence, the autopsy will become negative. The number of questions can be answered in a descending degree of completeness depending upon the type and the condition of the material received. There may be other situation of mass disaster resulting in mutilation of the bodies, and these situations are either the bomb blast, the bodies are extensively mutilated, the body parts are split into various parts, and they are mixed together. In air crash, in railway accident, similar situation come across. In such situation, there is mixing of body parts that is called as commingling. So commingling is the mixing of body parts of various human in some mass disaster like bomb blast, earthquake, air crash, or train accidents. More than one part of the same body or different parts of different individual can be mixed together. Sometimes a mass grave can be discovered in which many bodies are buried together. So the objective of this autopsy examination is that first we have to establish the source, whether it is a human or animal. And if human, then we will find out which part relates to which individual if there is commingling. And most important objective, then it will be identity. And in identity, we'll try to find out the age, sex, stature, race, or any special features which will help in identity. Then the cause of death, time since death. So these are the objectives. So the summary of this lecture is that first, in a mutilated fragmentary remain, we will try to establish the source. We have learned that. We will find out if there is commingling, mixing of the body parts and try to conform into one body. Then identity and the cause of death is the most important objective, and time since death. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, inshallah, we'll continue with the protocol of this examination in mutilated remains. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is my channel name, Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, share it, and press the bell button. Thank you very much.